To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Hello and welcome to India Science. My name is Rohini Krishnamurthy and you are watching Let's Talk Vaccine Immunizing India. Today we are at St. Martha's Hospital, Bengaluru. This hospital was established in 1886 and has since been providing affordable healthcare to the masses. When the COVID-19 pandemic took off, St. Martha's was one of the major hospitals to step up and offer services. 1 year into the pandemic, we finally have vaccines to fight the new coronavirus.
There is no other way of beating this pandemic except a vaccination. So people should not have any worries. It is shown to be safe except for some minor side effects which happens with any vaccine or in fact any drug.
Today we'll walk you through the vaccination process, talk to a couple of doctors and beneficiaries. We will also shed some misconceptions and concerns around the vaccine. So let's get started.
I am Dr. Poonima. I am a gynecologist, but I am a nodal officer in Martha's, St. Martha's Hospital, Bangalore, and we are having vaccination center in our city. Now I'll just take you through the vaccination process here. She is a healthcare worker who is coming for the second dose. For the second dose. She is a cardiologist by profession, and we have general public who are coming. Yeah, Neevu citizen alva. What is your age?
My age is 58.
58, but you, yeah, he is a citizen who is coming under the category of between 45 and 59 with comorbidities, and then he is coming for the first dose. Neevu ಎಷ್ಟು my age? 61. Iವರು, he comes in the category of a citizen. She is 61 years. So iವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ certificate ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, comorbid category. He can just walk in for the first dose, and of course she is accompanying her mother. So now I'll just go through the procedure. To register here, once they come here, they just have to tell them that they have come for vaccination. So the security here just keeps on writing the number of beneficiaries who have come. So we know the total number of beneficiaries. We have already written the categorization here. Now this is the registration counter. We have two systems here, two people who are registering. See, in the registration counter, generally what details are asked is the Aadhaar card, the Aadhaar number, and the details are entered into the system, and once the details are entered, the person is registered. And once the person is registered, they need to verify the personal details of the beneficiary, and once the details are verified, then the person is vaccinated and he will be given a vaccination certificate. According to the government guidelines, we are supposed to charge 250 rupees per vaccine because this is a private center. But if somebody is not willing to pay 250, they can go to the government centers or the primary health centers. Now we will proceed to the vaccination center. This is the waiting room. After getting registered, people wait here for their turn for vaccine. Here the vaccination will be done. Now the beneficiary will be going inside the vaccination room. ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾರ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಉಸಿರಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಯಿತು, ತುಂಬ ನೋವು ಆಯಿತು, ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾರ ಜ್ವರ ಚಳಿ ಥರ ಬರೋದು ಏನಾರ ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಇವಾಗ ಹಾಫ್ ಆನ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂರಿಸಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಫ್ ಆನ್ ಅವರ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆನ್ ಅವರ್ ಏನೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಏನೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೋಸ್ಗೆ 28 days ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತಿರ್ಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೋಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Treatment and the hospitality given by the hospitals and the sisters was very good. And this I am coming under the comorbid case between 45 and 59, since I was suffering from I have been suffering from hypertension, and after the vaccination I did not feel any variations in my health because since I have taken half an hour back. So this is a drive given by Government of India was laudable, and I request everyone to come forward to take the Covishield injections or the Covaxin as the case may be.
This is the observation room wherein beneficiaries are placed, and you can see the vaccination certificate which we have issued.
I came to be injected with the first dose, so that this is something very positive, that we need to take it so that we have the immunity.
This is my second dose of the COVID vaccine. I don't have any symptoms. Even after the first dose, I didn't face any side effects. And we do see heart patients daily, and they commonly ask this question whether they should take this vaccine. I think they should take. It is safe, and they should not stop any blood thinners. Even on the blood thinners, they should not worry.
Wasn't that simple? Now you might have a few doubts. For instance, should those recovered from COVID-19 take the vaccine? And should you worry about the side effects? We talked to Dr. Jayanti Lal to address these doubts.
There are minor side effects and major side effects. Getting fever, pain at the site of injection, aches and bakes lasting for about 24 to 48 hours should not be a major cause for concern. All you have to take is a symptomatic treatment with either say some Dolo tablet or some anti-emetic for nausea, vomiting. The incidence of major side effects has been very, very low. Right now we have got some vaccine which is protective. It is better to have something than rather not to have nothing. That I would put it in that way. And it does not matter what is the type of vaccine we are taking. Whether we are taking Covishield or Covaxin. It does not matter. The point of matter right now is all of us should get vaccinated.
You've heard our doctors and beneficiaries. COVID-19 vaccines are safe, and the entire process is hassle-free. So go ahead and get yourself vaccinated. With that message, we conclude our show. Stay safe and take care.